This 2024 Forest River Impression 320 Florida is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Bath, Pennsylvania, 18014 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Behtlehem. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a BRYCE Canyon interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front entertainment, front living area, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.